Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Arianna, and for those of you that aren't, welcome back. So nice to have you all here. I know it's been a long time, I've had a lot going on, but I'm back and I have a lot of new fun content to share with you guys. So make sure that you're subscribed if you haven't already and have your notification bell on, that way you don't miss another one of my videos. And if you aren't, you should check out my Instagram because I do post there daily all of my outfits and how I style all of my sneakers. So make sure that you are following me over there. And with that being said, let us get into this video because I've been dying to open this package up. It's been sitting on my table for 2 days and I cannot wait to put them on finally. So let us get into it. Okay, so this is the package. First of all, if you hear a little pitter patter, it's Fernie, who's my dog. If you guys are new to the channel, she likes to be involved in everything. But anyways, this is the Jordan 5 Bluebird. This is my first Jordan 5 that I will have owned, and I was really excited about this because the color is amazing. It's all suede, the materials look beautiful, and it's a women's only release, which is really nice. Nike's getting a little bit better, but they need to do more women's only releases because we need a better representation.
Just saying.
Anyways, this is a really awesome shoe. The color spoke to me, the style spoke to me, and I have it here. I was very happy about it because I've not had a good luck on sneakers recently. If you guys have been following me, it's been pretty sparse. I don't know about y'all. Let me know if you guys have hit on anything recently, but it's been pretty tough. First off though, I can say I hate this box because if you can see, it literally came open. This is how it came. I've also been having difficulty with packages, as like the last 3 packages that I was supposed to get all got lost. So I don't know what's up with that, but anyways, let's open this up or continue opening it up. So you have classic Jordan box. I got these in a women's 8.5, men's 7, which is my normal size. So I assume these are going to fit true to size, as most of my other Jordans do. These released on October 7th. They were retailed for $190. Now, the resale price is, I believe, close to the $300 range for select sizes. So if you guys are interested in picking up a pair, I will link down GOAT because that is really the only place that I buy my shoes resale. It just has been consistently positive with all of their all of my purchases through them, and I have not had the same result for any other place. So I will link that down below if you guys are interested in picking up a pair. Anyways, let's get into this. Let's open it up. Oh, the color's even better in person. Here. If it's blown out, I will put better up close video and I will get more up close for you guys, but oh my gosh, this color is better in person. I've seen a lot of people on Instagram post pictures in these and they look more pale. This is definitely a very true icy blue. Very much not as bright as the university blue, but oh my gosh. Can you guys see? Here. Wow. It's so pretty. You have the icy soles and it's fully suede. So you have a full suede upper, this gorgeous ice blue, graphite blue. Blue graphite, glaze graphite, blue ice.
Okay.
You have this fully suede upper. There's little markings on the toe box. I don't know if you guys can see. There's always something, but if you can see in the suede. But it's fully suede upper. You have these really pretty light blue laces. You have that, I don't know what to call it. Don't make fun of me, but this plastic lace lock thing there. You have a silver tongue with a blue Jumpman. You have a it's like a teal on the sock liner of the shoe and on the inside of the tongue. You have a silver accent on the mid of the shoe and where kind of like those shark teeth are. And then you have this darker, like yellowish blue on the toe and teal on the outer sole of the shoe, as well as ice blue on the outsole with the blue Jumpman, which is really nice. These are Very nice. The suede is pretty good on the toe box mostly. As you go to the back, no, the suede's pretty nice. You also have this blue mesh. I don't know if you guys can see, blue mesh right here on the middle of the shoe, which gives it a really nice kind of accent. I really love these. These are so, so nice. Much better in person. I think the material is pretty good. The suede feels really kind of buttery to me. I don't feel like it's bad. The toe box though, that came a little messed up on this one, is slightly disappointing, but as we know, the quality control sometimes is not the best from Nike. So it's actually in pretty good condition considering the box was open when I got it. But yeah, I absolutely love these. These are so nice. Let me know if you guys hit on these. This is so interesting to me, this lace lock. This color is incredible and you can style this in so many different ways. I just love blue, especially on Jordans. It's classic and how can you not? I really like this color too. It's not as bright as University Blue. I love University Blue, but this is a really nice, almost like pastel robin egg blue. It is a robin egg blue. Oh, I love it. Let me know if you guys hit on this pair, if you guys were able to pick it up, or if you're gonna buy it resale, if you already did. Let me know. I'm really interested to know what you guys' thoughts are on these. I really love them. I think that this is a great first pair of fives for me. I have been wanting to get a pair and I've been waiting to find the right color combination because I remember I think it was the fire red fives. Those were really cool, but for me to have so much red on a shoe is not really my vibe. I don't know why, it just doesn't suit my style. I think this is more something that I can pull off and feel comfortable with for this silhouette. I feel like the blue gives it works better for me on this silhouette in the blue, if that makes sense. All right guys, I'm gonna put some up close video and some on feet, that way you guys have a better idea about these shoes. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up as it really helps me out. And let me know down below, did you guys hit on these? And if you didn't, are you going to pick them up for resale? I'm really curious about that. I really like them. I think that if I didn't hit, I would definitely pay resale for them just because I like the suede and I love the colors. So nice. If you guys want to be a part of my little family, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. That way you guys don't miss another one of my videos. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great week, a great weekend, a great weekday, whatever day it may be. And I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye!